Hello students, today we are going to start a topic that is concentration of ore. What is the meaning of concentration of ore means? There is this ore that contains some impurities along with ores. So impurities are known as gangue. So concentration means to separate the ore or the metal from these impurities, these gangue particles. So for this method, for these separation, there are some methods. So in this video we are going to discuss the methods that by using that we can separate the ore from the gangue. So first method is hydraulic washing. The name means hydro means water, so that this method is operated by forcing water or by using the pressure of the water. So in this method is based on the gravity difference between the ore and the gangue particle. Means in this case the metal ore is heavier and the gangue means that impurities are lighter. So when the powder ore is flowing with the current of water, the lighter impurities or the gangue can be washed away and the ore particles are left behind with the water. So there is another diagram showing same method in which crushed ore are introduced from the cone and the water is also along with. There is a sloping table. So in this table, when the ore ore is heavier, so ore can be stripped in this groups table, but the gangue that are lighter can washed away with the pressure of water. So we can separate the gangue from the ore by this method. Same hydraulic washing. There is another diagram. In this method, the cone shape apparatus is used, in which powder ore is introduced from upstairs and from the lower side the water is introduced. So with the pressure of water, the lighter impurities are on the surface and they can be separated by the outlet, and the heavier ore are going to bottom. So from the bottom we can concentrate that ore. Okay, so this was the first method. After that, second method is magnetic separation. Magnetic, from the name it is clear that this method is used to separate the magnetic metal from the non-magnetic. Okay, so in this method, this is very simple and low cost method. In this method, one roller is used, one magnetic roller is there, and when the ground or finally ground ore is introduced on the roller, there is a belt on the roller, then the magnetic metal that have a magnetic property are going along with the that roller, but the non-magnetic go through away. Okay, so these are the methods. We have done only two methods. So one is hydraulic method, in which water we are using, and second is magnetic separation. So along with this video I am sending a link also. So go through this video, go through the topic, and if you people are having any doubt, you can discuss with me. Okay, so thank you.